This video is for educational purpose only. Please don't try an experiment shown in this video. We are here to take this for you. Just sit back, relax and enjoy the video.
Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining us today on the electric guy. In my previous video, I have shown you how to make nitrocellulose paint. But do you know you can make nitrocellulose also at home? So in this video, we will make nitrocellulose. The two main chemicals used for this experiment are sulfuric acid and nitric acid. These are very dangerous stuff, so please don't try experiment with these acids at home. Also, if you try, please use safety equipment before doing so. Now first, keep a solution of baking soda nearby, neutralize any spilled acid. Now add sulfuric acid and nitric acid in a beaker in equal ratios and then mix it properly with a glass rod. Now keep this beaker in a container filled with cold icy water. Please do this experiment outside or in a well-ventilated area because this experiment releases acidic gas which is harmful. Now dip your cotton ball in it and keep it for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, dump all the material inside the beaker in the baking soda solution to neutralize the leftover acid. Now wash the cotton with some fresh water and keep it for drying for about a day. After a day, your nitrocotton is completely dried and ready for testing. But first, let's ignite normal cotton to find the difference. You can see that the normal cotton leaves lots of ash behind. Now let's ignite nitrocotton. You can see that it ignited very quickly, leaving no ash behind. Now let's try to convert it into nitrocotton paint by dissolving it in acetone. Now let's test it out. I have also molded it in a shape. You can find more about it in my previous video. The link is in the description. Now let's ignite it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video. And if you want to stay tuned with my upcoming videos, please subscribe.